Hi there, I'm Josh from LYNX AC, or you might know me as HVAC_LYNX. I'm an air conditioning and refrigeration engineer. The company I work for, LYNX AC, provides air conditioning, ventilation, air source and ground source heat pump servicing and maintenance and repairs across all of the Midlands. The old way that we was doing things was with analog gauges. So we'd look at an analog gauge and there was always that discrepancy of the needle width. So you'd look at the manifold and you'd go, is it under, has it lost, has it not? So the benefit of 557s and going digital, everything is right in front of you, everything is very, very precise. What I also like about the Testo 557Ss and all of Testo products is the Bluetooth capability, and what that allows is connectivity to the app. So if it's from a Tor gauge, over to Bluetooth probes, to temperature clamp probes, to multimeters, they all link into the smart Testo app, and it all comes back to that smart app, which gives you a reliable source of data that you can go back to, creating reports to provide that to your customer and give you accurate and reliable data. We initially went for Testo, so we started out with the smart Bluetooth probes. They was just to reinforce our pressure testing. That then enabled me to open up the app and go along with the new software that's available, and it just created a reliable piece of data to give to our customer. So I remember it was a ground source heat pump that I needed to be critical on the pressure testing, and the smart Bluetooth probes enabled that reliable piece of data that I had the confidence to go to the customer and say, this is now holding pressure, it is accurate, and it is a good piece of software that I can trust. That then developed into a trust benefit where we ended up going to the Bluetooth manifolds. We went over to the full manifold set, and then we went onto the scales. We're now going on to all the other kind of products in the range. So we are full Testo rather than anything else now. Us ourselves, for the service department, the Bluetooth probes have been the biggest asset to ourselves. So not only are they small, light, compact, but they are just very easy to use. You grab them, you open your phone, you can check running data, running pressures, and then link to the app. You can also data record to provide that information to your customer. It's just an all-round easy device that we like to use. Reliable, easy to use, and good value for money. Your ROI that you're going to put into your Testo equipment is second to none. The money you put into it, the initial outlay, you will get that back through confidence and reliability to your engineers. For somebody who's trying to get into the industry, or if you are a plumber that's looking to do air source heat pumps, ground source heat pumps, and looking to get into the F-gas industry, Testo will provide you with a simple and easy product that will allow a entry level all the way up to expert level. So Testo cater for all of the variants that's needed. So I feel that I would always recommend Testo over another product.